Ready to turn your spare time into earning potential by delivering delicious food across Australia? Applying to become an Uber Eats delivery driver in Australia is a straightforward process designed to get you on the road quickly. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to meet the general eligibility requirements. You must be at least 18 years old and have the legal right to work in Australia. A valid Australian driver's license is essential. And depending on your vehicle, you might also need a registered and insured vehicle. Your application starts online. Head to the Uber Eats driver website for Australia. You'll find a prominent sign up or become a driver button. Click this to begin the registration process. Next, you'll need to provide personal details. This includes your name, contact information, and address. Be prepared to upload clear photos of your identification, such as your driver's license and possibly proof of address. Uber Eats allows deliveries with various vehicles. You can use a car, a motorcycle, or even a bicycle in some cities. Ensure your chosen vehicle is safe, reliable, and meets any specific Uber Eats requirements for your region. You might need to provide details about your vehicle, including its registration and insurance. A crucial part of the application is the background check. Uber Eats partners with a third-party service to conduct these checks, ensuring the safety of customers and the community. This typically involves a criminal record check. Once your application and background check are approved, you'll receive information on how to get your delivery equipment, which usually includes an Uber Eats insulated bag. You'll then be prompted to download the Uber Driver app on your smartphone. Once the app is set up and your account is activated, you're ready to start accepting delivery requests. To maximize your earnings, consider delivering during peak mealtimes while Euro lunch and dinner rushes. Familiarize yourself with the most popular restaurants in your area and learn efficient routes. Accepting a variety of order sizes can also help. And remember to maintain a good rating by delivering food promptly and professionally. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to earning money with flexible hours delivering food across Australia with Uber Eats. Good luck!